Chronic disease. A disease persisting for a long time. Example: cancer, if not treated at early stage, becomes a chronic disease. Massive heart attack, a very serious heart attack. Example: John suffered a massive heart attack when his wife died. Premature death. Death at too early in age. Example: Bill died a premature death. He was a young and a healthy boy. Adverse effects. Negative or harmful effects. Example: taking an overdose of medicine can have many adverse effects on our body. Exceed a dose. To cross the prescribed limit of a dose. Example: we should not exceed the prescribed dose of medication without consulting the doctor. Terminally ill. A condition that can lead to death. Example: due to coronavirus, John seems terminally ill and cannot possibly survive. Excruciating pain. Extremely painful. After the accident, Mike is suffering from excruciating pain in his back. Acutely painful. A severe pain which lasts for a short time. Example: he sometimes suffers from acutely painful headache that he falls down to the ground. Dull ache. Low but persistent pain. Example: standing in a queue for an hour, she started feeling a dull ache in her back.